Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's February the 26th, 2022. Rivian, do you know where the smart buyers, do you know where the smart money is buying this particular stock at? All you have to do is look at the chart to get an understanding as to where the buyers are at. And I'm going to show you that today on this video. For Rivian, if the smart money is buying the stock, then guess what? We need to follow what they're doing because they're going to lead the way. They're going to show us where price is going to go in Rivian. So before I talk about that, before I show you what happened to the price against my last price prediction, you guys appreciate the video, hey, give me some love, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. I am one of the only places here on YouTube that is giving you price predictions without the confusion. I am not one of those hold the stock for the next 15 years, because where price is now, hopefully, and I put that in quotations, hopefully the price will be higher, right? Hopefully. So let's go ahead and talk about this real quick. I did a video in Rivian on February the 3rd. If you haven't seen that video, guess what? It is in my Rivian playlist on this channel. Yeah, everything I do is in a playlist. I'm not here deleting my videos because I want you all to understand and see for yourself that there is actually someone here on YouTube that's giving you price prediction. They're actually placing it on a chart, anticipating where price is going to go way before the market gets there, right? So here it is. This is the market in Rivian, right? February the 3rd. I was playing the weakness to the market in Rivian. You guys can see here that the price on the 24th of February came all the way down to $53.50. Like, I wasn't massively bullish, but I was telling you all that considering that Rivian was trading around all-time lows, we have to be careful and just take the bag where we are at. So seemingly that was the low end of that particular price target. 16.5% run from February the 3rd to February the 24th. Pretty good to me. This is how you're able to win into the market. This is how you're able to not guess and wish and hope, because everyone who bought Rivian back here when it's around 150, 130, automatically they turn into long-term holders automatically. But let's say if the market price in Rivian continue to shoot up to $250, $300, $400, nobody would be talking about being a long-term holder. Nobody. Because their mentality, their emotion would switch over into thinking, I am making money, I am being profitable. So that long-term horizon that they once think about when price dips and they're in a loss position, it goes away. Like, the market understands the dynamics of human beings. They understand how we operate, and they take advantage of that day in and day out. The only way that we can take advantage of them is by paying attention to what they're doing and get ahead of them so that we can beat them to the prices. This is what I'm showing you all how to do. So let me get rid of this and let me show you why I suspect that buyers are here into the market for Rivian. Think about it. Market doesn't trade sideways for no reason, right? Before the market in Rivian started to trade sideways on January the 24th, it was in a downtrend. See, you can only get certain things into the market, right? So either while we're seeing this price in Rivian trade sideways, either the buyers are buying up this stock because they know price is going to break out, right? Or this is an opportunity for those who have a big bag into the market in Rivian and they understand that price is going to fall. So they're trying to get out their positions now before a bigger drop to the downside. This is how this game is played, right? So what we need to do, we need to focus in on what's really been going on in this area to determine what's happening. Are they selling or are they buying? So let's pay attention, because the charts, they don't lie. No, it doesn't. It's not giving you their opinion. It's not telling you what they think about a company's earnings, their earnings per share, their EBITDA, their discount cash flow. It doesn't think about that. Price is what you're going to get. Price goes down, hey, you can't go in and say, well, the price doesn't look like it's going down. No, it is going down, right? So right now, this market action in Rivian is just trading sideways. So let's see what's been going on the 2-day time frame. So this is Rivian right here on the 2-day. Can you see two identical 2-day price bars? Can you see it? Look at this. Look at this 2-day price bar. These two, right? And then I want you all to look at this one. So you got these two 2-day price bars, and then you have this one. Do you see that? Those are identical. Price went down, price went up. Price went down, price went up. What's going on? Exactly. It's an indication that the buyers are here because they're not letting the price in Rivian fall. Somebody is in this market in Rivian keeping it propped up. Somebody. Who knows? I really don't care because they're showing their footprints. They're showing what they want to see happen, right? Look at this. Price goes down. Price comes back up. Price goes down. Price comes back up. What do you think's going on? Yeah, the market's trying to go up in price. This is what is reflected on the 2-day time frame. We might get something better on the 3-day. Look at that. Same thing. Price goes down. Price goes up. Price goes down. Price goes up. What about on the weekly? So this is Rivian right here on the weekly time frame. All of these weekly price bars indicates that the market is selling. Somebody is selling in the market in Rivian. Like, let's keep it real. There will always be two sides of a trade. Okay. So when you see a lot of selling coming in week in and week out, but the price is not falling, price is not falling, then somebody's here buying up this stock. Somebody is. Right there. So the last 4 weeks, we've seen Rivian's price close off of the highs, but the price is not falling though. It is maintaining its price level. So somebody is here buying up this stock. Look at this on the 2 weeks, right? Even here on the 2 weeks time frame, we saw price come down, saw weakness, saw selling, and even here on the last completed 2 weekly price bar, there's still selling going on, but the market was able to close higher than the previous 2 weekly price bars. So there's a little bit more buying here into the market in Rivian right now, right? Look at this on a monthly. Look at the volume compared to last month. It's about the same, but the spread is a lot smaller. See, when you see a stoppage in the spread price of what was previous, like last month, look at this one. That spread is massive, meaning that there was no one getting in the way of Rivian's price falling from a high of 106 to a low of $50. Nobody was in the way. No buyers came into the market last month, but they're here because we see higher volume on average of what was last month, but the spread is smaller. So somebody is stopping the selling in Rivian. It's just that simple. It's not rocket science. So I think the price in Rivian is going to do this. It's going to go up. Okay. So let's do it. Now, am I saying that the price is going to go back up to $200? No. What I'm saying is that we're seeing buyers come into the market and they're trying to lift this price. So I want us to see and get in position for it, right? So now I think you guys can see where we got some problems though. Yeah, the first problem is $70 right there. That's about 10% movement higher in price, right? Or 11%. That's an issue because we saw selling keep Rivian's price down previously. Look at this. There's a reason why the price in Rivian could not break above $70. And the only reason is selling. That's the only thing that could keep price from moving or going up. So that's our first area to take the bag, $70. Okay. That gives us around what, 11%. I would say 70 to 72 is where we need to be. Okay. Now, where's the next area? Yeah, I think you guys can see it there, right here. Now, considering that we are in a downtrend into the market in Rivian, I am not really looking for the price to come up here to like $77, $75, give or take. But I'm going to increase it up there just in case as times continue to go on. Okay. So we got two price targets. First one is 70. Second one is around $77.45, give or take. But this is what's going on into the market. And I want you all to see that. So let me zoom in so you guys can see what I'm thinking the market is going to do before it gets there. Now, everyone else is going to have you guessing and wishing and hoping. I'm seeing that the price in Rivian is going to go up. Like, that is my bias. I'm looking for the price in Rivian to go up. And as price continues to move up, we're going to be paying attention to see how price reacts around $70. And if it reacts well and we see price break above 70, then we know the next area is going to be around $77.45. And then we're going to pay attention there to see if the buyers are still willing to increase the stock's price. That's it. We're sitting back. Now we just let the market work for us. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.